How to customize your DOLA Pro with a medial negative taper. A medial taper is the reduction in the width of the orthotic waist or midsection from the medial side. Common tapers include 5%, 10%, or to match a template or footwear dimensions. In this video, we'll show you how to complete a 10% medial taper in clinic. A medial taper requires 3 landmarks connected by a curve to indicate your grinding line. Step 1. Mark the anterior or distal point of the taper. This will commonly be a point behind the first MPJ and will match the shape of the footbed. Step 2. Mark the posterior or proximal point of the taper. This is commonly at the point of the maximum heel cup width. From this point, the shoe footbed starts to taper inwards, and we aim to follow this shape. Step 3. Mark the center point of the taper. This point determines the shape or aggressiveness of the taper. Use a ruler to measure the width of the orthotic and mark the required reduction. In this case, a 10% reduction on the medial side. This point can be customized to fit various shoe needs. Step 4. Connect the 3 points of the taper in a smooth curve. You now have your medial taper marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material medial to your taper line. Holding the orthotic shell proximal and distal to the grinding area, place the medial edge of the orthotic shell against the grinder. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress against your guideline. Changing your hand position to hold the dorsal and plantar surfaces of the orthotic will allow you to create your taper angle. This angle is important and is the angle or taper of the shell that connects the dorsal and plantar surfaces of the orthotic. A mild grinding angle will keep the majority of medial arch reinforcement in place, while a more aggressive grind will remove some of the medial arch reinforcement. This will reduce the orthotic control and is often combined with a medial plantar grind modification. A full sweep of the orthotic edge against the grinder will ensure a smooth and even finish. Medial taper is used to aid in footwear fit, including football boots, cycling cleats, ski boots, dress shoes, high heels, street shoes, and narrow-waisted sports shoes. It can also reduce orthotic surface area and reduce medial orthotic control. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Light are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolarorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.